Hello, this video is on the very tricky topic of division of numbers in standard form. So I've got three examples. These are three Tassomai questions, so it's very likely they'll come up after the video. I'm just going to take you through the method and show you the answer. Now, this method is just like with multiplication as well. We do with the numbers bit, we do the tens bit, and then we adjust if necessary to fit the convention. I'm going to very quickly go through these. I'm going to start with the bottom one because I think that's the easiest one. 8.4 divided by 1.2, I'm doing the numbers bit. 8.4 divided by 1.2 is 7, okay? Next, we're going to do the tens bit. So when you're dividing numbers with indices, you subtract the indices. So 10 to the 5 divided by 10 to the 3 is going to be 10 to the power of 5 take away 3, 2. And that's the answer. That one's done. 7 times 10 to the 2. Now these are a bit trickier, so do them both at the same time. 1.8 divided by 6 is going to be 0.3. Think of 18 divided by 6 is 3, so 0.3. 4.8 divided by 4 is going to be 1.2, okay? Next, we'll do the tens bit. So these tens, 10 to the minus 13, 10 to the minus 9, so minus 13 minus minus 9 is minus 4. So that's some negative numbers practice that probably is worth doing as well, because they often catch people out. Same here, minus 11 minus minus 4 is minus 7, so 10 to the minus 7. So the convention or the technique is the same every time. You're just subtracting the powers, even though they're a bit horrible. Finally, we ask ourselves, do these conform to the convention of standard form where this number part is between 1 and 10? Well, that one does. So in fact, that's our answer, 1.2 times 10 to the minus 7. And that one does, as I already said. This one doesn't because it's too small. We need to turn this into a number between 1 and 10. So all we're going to do is get rid of the 0 point. We're going to multiply it by 10 and make it 10 times bigger. So now it's 3. Now if that's 10 times bigger, we need to make this 10 times smaller so that it has the same value that it did before. So instead of minus 4, 10 times smaller will be minus 5. So I've increased that or decreased that power by 1 to make it 10 times smaller so that the compensations happen and it's the same value. That's it. Those are the three answers to those questions, so they may very well come up on your quiz following, but hope the technique was useful. Thanks very much for watching.